Celebrations come with a smile, so if you're preparing for a big moment, a wedding, a graduation, nailing that job interview, you want your smile to be at its best. Rembrandt's 1-week whitening kit is the perfect tool to prepare your smile for those important moments. You can get 14-day treatment results in half the time with this product, and it's super easy to use. First, peel off the protective layer. Position the strip to cover the entire front of your teeth, then just fold the flap over the back. These strips are designed to offer maximum coverage so you can whiten the front and the back of your teeth, giving you a more complete white smile. The StayPut technology ensures they don't slip around on your teeth, and they're made of the same enamel-safe ingredients used by dentists, so you can get professional-level results right from your own home. Just keep the strips on for 30 minutes at a time and use them twice a day for 1 week. Quick, easy, and most importantly, super effective. For more ways to take care of your uniquely beautiful smile, check out the entire suite of Rembrandt teeth whitening products.